my account got suspended yesterday, like around 1 p.m. I couldn't even log into my account. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick some orders, making sure we get the customers their product as fast as we can. Today wasn't a very good day thrifting, but it's an okay day for sales, so I'll take it, you know? I'll take a sales day any day. But let's go ahead and get everything ready, get it picked, get it sorted, get it packaged, and then let's get it out the door. That way we can get to the customers as fast as we can. One of the first things that we're actually looking at is it's a musical mobile. I don't know how you guys pronounce it. It's for babies, the ones that goes in the cribs, the ones that kind of like spins, plays music, keeps them asleep or helps them sleep. This one actually sold for 50 bucks plus shipping and handling. It's located in BY. Okay, so it's this one right here. BY. It's actually this one right here. Purchased this for $6.99. It's new in the box, but the box was open. Well, actually I opened the box. I made sure and verified that everything was in there was still sealed and packaged, that the whole set was still complete. Similar sets like these, they were going like close to like 100 bucks, but obviously this one, the box is beat up. There's some separation from the plastic in the box, although all the components on the inside are brand new. It's kind of weird, but I didn't know, but these old school musical mobiles, they go for a lot. So if you guys see these new in the box and still sealed, or it still looks like it has all the components, I would suggest picking it up. All right, next I have this ink cartridge by Xyron. It's brand new in the box, sealed. Let's actually see where it's located in. It's located in BQ, and where's Q's up here actually. Excuse me guys for the mess. This is also my garage, so I keep some stuff in here, and if I remember correctly, I bought two of these, and they're both the exact same thing. I specifically remember buying each one of these for $1.99 each, brand new, sealed. One thing I didn't know about ink cartridges, or basically any kind of ink or anything copyrighted or anything like that, is you can get in trouble by the actual company. Again guys, I'm new to this. I'm about 2 months into an eBay business. I think I'm seeing some decent sales, especially for being this new, but I'm learning, and you guys are on this journey learning with me. And as much as I learn, you guys are learning, and you guys comment, tell me stuff maybe I'm doing wrong, or maybe things that you guys like the way that I'm doing it. Just let me know, because I'm learning with you guys. I'm learning myself, and anything that I get a chance to actually learn, actually help other people learn, and I'm happy to do that as well. I'm like really natural at teaching. I feel like this is something that I could help somebody else achieve, even if it's just like part-time. Resell on the side. You have a full-time job, I get it, we need that, right? But resell on the side. You see something at a garage sale, stop by, pick it up, go to the thrift store, just scan something, put it on eBay. Maybe like sell one item a week, you know? I mean, it doesn't have to be like a little item, it could be something big that you can sell once a week, maybe make $200-300 on. You know, at the end of the week, that's gonna help. Obviously, you don't always find those big items at the thrift store, especially like me that I go constantly. I've had days where I found literally nothing. I came back home with one thing, and it was something personal that wasn't to sell. So I get it. All right, so next I have this Mickey Mouse garden gnome. I purchased it for 99 cents. I mean, it actually sold for $10, so it's not the biggest profit in the world, but it sold for $10 plus shipping. So the only thing I have to take out of there is my cost of goods, and then also packaging materials, what it takes to what it cost me to package it. I've calculated different boxes, and then plus the shrink wrap, or plus the bubble wrap, everything like that. So when I calculate it, I'm spending about, I want to say between 35 and 50 cents to ship stuff out, though, based on the boxes that I have and what it takes to ship it out. So it's very minimal. So out of those $10, I'm taking out a 10% fee, which is $1 from eBay, then a 3% fee, which is, I'm bad at math. So after fees and cost of goods, I should be making close to about maybe $5-6 on this item. Like I said, it's not too bad. I'd like to sell bigger items for more money, or even smaller items, right? But I'd like to sell higher priced items for more money. But you know, whenever we have to make a sale, I'll take it. It is freezing outside. It's like 43 degrees. This is Texas. We're not used to this. We don't get this anytime. I remember like almost every Christmas, I'm still in shorts and a t-shirt, you know? So for it to be this cold this fast, I had to bring out the sweaters. Like, I'm not used to bringing sweaters out this fast. That's crazy. But all right guys, so after what I feel was a very successful day of thrifting, we're gonna pull some orders now. Luckily, while I was making this video, we actually got another 2 orders. So I just want to thank you guys. Thank you guys for the support. First thing that we're looking at, they're Nerf Strike darts. It's a 36 pack. They're actually, let's see where they're located at. BB. All right, I think, here we go. Nerf. And guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. I know it's not a little, it's a lot dark. All right, Northwestern darts. These were brand new in the package. I believe, if I'm correct, I didn't pay more than 99 cents for them, but they did have tape on them, and I made sure to put pictures of that just in case somebody ever wants to give it away as a gift or anything like that. I kind of make sure to tell them, like, hey, well, you know, this is what the package looks like, kind of just to be fair. Like, I don't know, sometimes I don't want to give stuff away like this, like in a present. You know, you kind of want it to be a little bit more presentable. But if you don't really care, then obviously this is just a good deal. If you're just gonna take them out and actually shoot them, that's something that's like what I would do. Like, if I buy stuff on eBay, it's because I'm gonna use it normally, not because I'm gonna give it away. When I give away a present or something, I go to the store. But I mean, for something like this, 99 cents, sold it for $12.99 plus shipping. Not a huge profit, but you know, any profit's profit. That's kind of like the way I like to think about it. Sometimes when I purchase something for 99 cents, I'm not expecting to make a whole lot on it. Anything that I buy for 99 cents, I at least want to get $4 or $5 out of it. It's always something like, it always sells for above $10. Pretty much anything I spend 99 cents on, so I never really lose money on it. Packaging, this is gonna be super easy to ship. Put in a very small box. It's gonna weigh less than a pound. What's up, guys? So I took the day off today, not because I wanted to, kind of like because I had to. I didn't have to from thrifting or anything, but my account got suspended yesterday, like around 1 p.m. for a Vero violation, which I've heard about. It wasn't fun. I was looking at everything. I was going over my listings. I sold 2 items, and then what I tried to do was, I was gonna package those, get those shipped out, but then I was gonna start listing some stuff that I had bought earlier in the day. So I thought it was pretty good stuff. It was like 2 like really old school, like 1990s plush animals that were still in the package, in the cardboard like they used to come in. One of them was from 1995. I'll put pictures of what I bought when I was about to list, and I didn't even put them on my Instagram or anything, but because it's kind of bummed me out. But I got a Vero violation. I called eBay. First of all, one of the things you have to do with eBay is you have to have an account in order to be able to chat with them. And when you can chat with them, then you can ask for them to give you a call, but you can't call anybody directly. I couldn't even log into my account. Yesterday I was able to log into my account, so I was able to talk with somebody. I talked with them. They advised me why my account was suspended. They talked about where I got the stuff that I was selling. Kind of like made me feel like I stole it or something, but I just explained to them that I source at garage sales, source at thrift stores, source at flea markets, and even private picks. You know, like when somebody tells me, hey, I'm getting rid of a bunch of stuff, here's something that you might be interested in, or if you're interested, come look at it. You know, I can sell it to you in bulk, give you a good price, something like that. But basically he asked me where I purchased the stuff that I was selling, and I explained to him that I get it from like different places. I do have receipts from the thrift stores because I keep all those for accounting purposes. I take pictures of them. It's a lot easier for me to take pictures of it and store it that way, and I'll go back to it later than trying to keep like a paper receipt, because at the thrift stores they still give you a paper receipt. They don't give you an option to just be emailed to you or anything like that. So it sucks, but from what I spoke with the representative from eBay, he said, okay, everything looks good. He's like, if your story makes up. It was weird. They kind of made me verify that I was the account holder. They said, what was the last purchase you made? I was like, it was a Jake Dorbs. This is one of the 2 only purchases I made on that account. I have a personal account where I make purchases all the time, but on that account I make 2 purchases. One of them was to some eBay tape that I needed. The other one was for a Jake Dorbs from Cincinnati Picker. If you guys don't know him, go follow him. But it was a Jake Dorbs from Cincinnati Picker. I verified that with them. They said, okay, everything's good. It looks good. Everything matches up. They pretty much wanted to verify like where I was getting the stuff from and make sure that it wasn't stolen or anything like that. I told them if there was any issues with any of the products, I would take them down, but they said it was fine. They said I just had to read basically like the email, and I did. It gave me a few things on there of what it could be, but I don't see how there could be copyright infringement on them. Or he also mentioned how if I knew anything that I was selling was counterfeit, and I mentioned that specifically I don't purchase or sell shoes. I purchase shoes, but I don't sell them on eBay or clothes on eBay because I'm not as well aware of what's counterfeit and what's not. I know what to look for and what is like pretty obvious, but I wouldn't want to risk my account getting banned over something counterfeit. So I just mentioned to him that I needed my account back basically. And what was the fastest way that I could get it? He said, everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and pass you up to a higher level, to the actual accounts department, the one that put a hold on it. And he transferred me. It took him about like 5 minutes, and then he came back on the phone. He was like, so I actually spoke with the accounts department, and they gave me the authorization to go ahead and remove the hold. I'm gonna go ahead and reset your password. So he did. He sent me that email right away. It reset my password. I reset my password, and I wasn't able to log in. So give it like maybe like a couple of hours for the system to reset, and it'll let me log back in. Because during this time, I'm still receiving messages from people trying to buy stuff, said, hey, it says sold now, is it sold, or stuff like that, and I can't even log in to reply to them. So that's what's getting me more anxious, right? Like, I have questions from customers, and I do all the time. I answer questions all day on different kinds of stuff, different products. I answer stuff all day, and not to be able to answer them, man, it hurts my business personally. But I just wanted to let you guys know what could happen. I actually have 2 more orders to pick. The first one is going to be a new inbox Jemmy Road Rage Master Racer Orange Hair Jumpsuit Rare. It's from 2005. I can't even really explain it. I'll just rather show you guys. Let's see where it's located. BP. It's actually right here, sitting right on top. So it's this. It's actually brand new in the box. Doesn't turn on, but I'm assuming that's because the batteries are so old. The person that bought this sent me an offer of $28.99. I bought this for $3.99. The person sent me an offer of $28.99. I had it set originally around 50 bucks, and I just kept dropping the price on it. Nobody seemed interested in it. I just thought it was cool because it was so old. $3.99 to $28.99, that is not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We got 3 orders going out today. Not the most amount of orders, but these all sold for some decent money, which is the really good thing. The first thing that we gotta pull is the only thing in the warehouse. The rest of the stuff is actually in the shipping room. This one it's called it's new in its open box. It's brand new, but I bought it. The box was a little damaged, but as far as the components like the camera and the strap and stuff, they were brand new. So when I saw this next to the register, and they had a price of $12.99 on it, and of course because it was 50% off day, it ended up costing me, well, it was $11.99, and because it was 50% off day, it cost me $6. Obviously plus taxes, but these are a very good pickup. In case you guys find these and you see them and they're for cheap, I would suggest getting them. This one's a Moultrie M888i game camera. It's 14 megapixels. It is located in BR. Because the box was damaged, I think I could have gotten a little bit more if it was in better shape, but because the box was damaged, this one ended up selling for $150.91 plus shipping and handling, which they paid $8. So I had it on a sale. Originally I had it listed at $195. I paid $6 for it, so even to $150, that's not bad at all. We actually have to just find the camera now. So it's the gaming camera. It's kind of like the ones that you put on the tree, and then it would like take pictures when a deer comes by, stuff like that. So it is brand new sealed. I made sure everything was in here, the components. Like I said, I bought this for $6, sold for $150. So not a very bad profit at all. It's the kind of profits that I like to see, and the kind of profits that I like to make. But we left the garage and we're actually back in my studio room where we take pictures and we do the listing and stuff like that. I have a box in here specifically set for all this kind of stuff because the packaging is so sensitive on it, and most of these, they're not in good condition as far as the packaging, but the action figures are, and that's why I picked them up. This one I purchased for, I believe, $2.99 and sold for $16.99, so not the best profit, but I'll take it. I'll actually show you guys where I have this stuff at, and this is actually a lot of smaller plastic item things that I do not want anything to happen to, getting mixed in with all the other stuff. But this is it, Van Helsing Monster Slayer. I made sure that I put pictures of what the packaging looked like and what all it was shaped like and the condition that it was in, because I don't want someone to buy something that they thought was going to be in mint or perfect condition. I took pictures of that, I put it in the listing, and I made sure I made it in the listing clear that the packaging was not in great state. But for $16.99, that's not bad. That whole day when I purchased all of the packaged stuff stuff that was brand new sealed like this, I think I spent like 60 bucks. So this is well on our way there. We still have about 15 more items to go through. The next one that sold was this Pirates of the Caribbean Disneyland Pillager action figure. I made sure to take notes and pictures of exactly what the condition of the packaging was, because obviously some people, when they purchase figures like these, they want them to collect them and they don't want the package to be messed up or anything like that. So I made sure I made notes of everything. So this was purchased for $6.99 and it sold for $38.49. So not too bad at all on this one. When you guys see Pirates of the Caribbean stuff, especially if it's Disney World, I would suggest, if it's brand new in the package, I would pick it up. I don't know how they would go for if it was out of the package or used, but brand new in the package like this, I would go ahead and pick it up. Now, the last thing that we sold today, we actually picked up a couple days ago at the thrift store. Picked it up for $1.99. I took a best offer of $40 on it, which I didn't think was too bad. But we're talking about the Green Ranger flute. So the Green Ranger flute, I had originally listed it at $59 because that's about what people were asking for it. But I noticed that it wasn't getting a whole lot of views, especially because I do plus shipping. I don't do free shipping. Somebody sent me an offer for $30. I sent them one for $45. They sent me one back for $35 and I sent them one back for $40 and they accepted. So not too bad. $1.99 to 40 bucks. That's not bad at all. Let's get these stuff shipped. Then I have to go back for my wife. She's at a doctor's appointment and then I will go drop off the stuff from there. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for liking the videos. I know the videos aren't the best yet, but I'm well on my way there. Go ahead and follow my Instagram, Good Pick Resale. Follow my YouTube, Good Pick Resale. Follow my eBay store, Good Pick Resale. Thank you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one.